On-screen friends that gave us friendship goals. MC Sher and Murad in Gully Boy. Their friendship showed us how selfless friends can be. The character of MC Sher was really happy when Murad was selected, though he was rejected. Sanju and Kamli in Sanju. Sanju and Kamli's friendship set an example. Kamli was one of the greatest support system in Sanju's life when he was going through hard patches. Kabir and Shiva in Kabir Singh. Shiva was the only one who stayed beside Kabir no matter what he did. Shiva and Kabir showed us how friendships can stay forever. Munna and Circuit in Munna Bhai. Circuit, beautifully portrayed by Arshad Warsi, stayed beside Munna Bhai through every thick and thin. Jay and Aditi in Jaane Tu Ya Jaane Na. Jay and Aditi shared an unbreakable bond and they were the pillars of strength to each other. Their friendship made everyone jealous. Rani and Vijay Lakshmi in Queen. Rani and Vijay Lakshmi became instant friends because of Vijay Lakshmi's charming nature. She always tried to make Rani happy. Bunny, Aditi and Avi in Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. Bunny, Aditi and Avi's friendship is what everybody dreams of. The fun-loving trio gave us friendship goals. Ye Jawani Hai Diwani showed their friendship in remarkable way. Rancho, Raju and Farhan in Three Idiots. Three Idiots is a movie that is remembered and will be remembered for the friendship it showed. Rancho, Raju and Farhan could do anything for their friends. Raju was even ready to sacrifice his life to save Rancho. Veronica in Cocktail. Veronica, beautifully portrayed by Deepika Padukone, was a fun-loving girl who loved her friends more than anything and anyone. Pappu in Om Shanti Om. Pappu and Om's friendship gave us major friendship goals. Pappu was one of the biggest friends in Om's life through every thick and thin. Ishan Bhatt in Kai Po Che. Ishan's character, beautifully portrayed by Sushant, always wanted to help his friends, and Ishan was always there for Omi, Govind whenever they needed him. Aman, Naina, Sameer in Kal Ho Na Ho. The movie showed us the true friendship between Aman, Naina and Sameer. The trio was ready to do anything for each other. Bikram and Bala in Gunde. They were refugees who came to India. They shared an unbreakable bond. Bikram and Bala lived together and they even died together. Kalindi, Avni, Sakshi, Meera in We Re The Wedding. The movie showed the great bonding between four female friends who are integral part of each other's life since childhood. This movie gave every girl major friendship goals. Akash, Sid and Sameer in Dil Chahta Hai. This movie and the trio's friendship gave us major friendship goals. This movie made people to reunite with their old friends. Jerry and Nikhil in Desi Boys. These two Desi boys helped each other during the hard times in their life. They stood beside each other during every trouble. Aditya, Joseph, Kedar and Rob in Rock On. This movie showed the bonding of four friends and how they struggle in their life. Jay and Veeru in Sholay. Jay and Veeru's friendship is still used as an example and it gave major friendship goals. Kishan and Bhishan in Yarana. Selfless friend Bhishan gave up everything for the success of his friend Kishan. This movie showed what true friendship is. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.